Hey, my name's Kevin and welcome to Tractors and Life. Oh my God, it's beautiful out here. It really is. We had a quick couple inches come down, some lake effect snow. So, yeah, I got to clean up the driveway, but you know, I never lose the sense of how beautiful winter can be. I really don't. Now, it's a little windy today. It's like 31, 32 degrees. It's not that cold, but man, is it beautiful. All right, let's get the tractor warmed up. You know, this is Sunday. This is, to me, if you had to describe a perfect Sunday, this is it. I was out a little while ago as it was really snowing hard. It was as slippery as I think I've ever seen it. You know, we're in Buffalo here. We're kind of crazy about our Bills, and it's a wild card matchup. They're down in Jacksonville fighting for their lives. I don't know what's going to happen today. But, you know, our day is, I'm going to cook something today. Snowy, beautiful scene outdoors, sit by the fireplace and watch football. That's about as good as it gets for me. So I'm going to show you guys something. Not sure how well it's going to show up on camera, but you can see deer tracks all throughout the property. And you see these marks right here. This is where they're foraging. This seems to be a main thoroughfare right here based on all the deer tracks. And you can see here we've got our trail cam. So here's what I find just absolutely fascinating with the deer. We have a lot of deer here. We really do. So this is a cherry tree, and you can see the cherry still up in the tree, but you don't really see any down low because what happens is the deer get up on their haunches and they reach up to get the cherries to eat them. Well, they've done that to the extent that there aren't any more. So now what they're doing, let's take a look at all this. Again, not sure how much it's going to show up on camera, but what they're doing is they're foraging. They're digging for the cherries that have fallen off the tree. So what that means is they are hungry. They are going to an awful lot of effort to get themselves fed. And I think the reason for this is basically about a week before Thanksgiving, we had snow. And we've had a snowpack outside of a couple days and this is the first week of January, through that whole time. So it makes it much more difficult for them to forage and to find food. So, that's why they're having to do things they wouldn't normally have to do. Also see deer tracks all over this area. Any place that we have bushes, they're hungry. And what I find amazing, and we've noticed this just in general observation on the property and also with the trail cam, is that when they're calling for heavy weather, the night before, the deer are all over the place. They know. I think that's amazing. They know, and they're trying to forage and trying to get themselves fed, because then when the weather comes, you won't see them. But I just find it absolutely, I don't know if it's barometric pressure or what causes it. Maybe you guys do. I'd love to hear from you guys that know a lot more about this than I do. But I just find it fascinating that they know. I usually angle my plow down a little bit, kind of, partially in a dump position. Seems to cut better as far as removing any ice. And I normally just float. Well, that's it. Tractor, as always, just did great. I mean, it wasn't a tremendous amount of snow, I get that. And no signs of it warming up significantly anytime soon, so wanted to get that off the driveway so it doesn't ice up on me. You guys know me. I look for excuses for seat time. Had fun. Hey, you guys have fun today. You'll be seeing this. Actually, I'm not sure when you guys are going to see this, but whenever you do, thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting our channel. We really, really appreciate it. God bless you all, and we'll see you next time on Tractors in Life.